Hello good day viewers. In this tutorial we want to express 2 cosine theta plus root 5 sine theta in terms of r sine theta plus alpha, for which r is greater than 0 and alpha is between 0 and 90 degrees. We only need to find two things, r and alpha, then substitute them back into the same expression and we are done. So what I want you to remember is when you have a sine of double angle theta plus alpha, this can be expanded as what? Sine of the first angle, that is theta, multiplied by cosine of the second angle, cosine alpha. Then you add, this time around, sine of the second angle, sine alpha, then multiply by cosine of the first angle, then cosine theta. But remember, we have r sine of that double angle, so we have to multiply everything by r. And we can arrange this one such that we have sine theta to the second. So we have r cosine alpha, then multiply by sine theta. And this one remains the same, r sine alpha cos theta. So now let us relate the coefficient of this expression from the original expression, which is 2 cosine theta plus root 5 sine theta. The coefficient of sine theta here is r cos alpha, while the coefficient of sine theta here is root 5. So we are going to equate them. So r cos alpha is equal to what? Root 5. Then if you observe, the coefficient of cos theta here is r sine alpha, while the coefficient of cos theta here is 2. So we are going to relate them as well. So we have r sine alpha equal to 2. Now that we have these two equations, let us raise them to the power of 2. So from here, if you raise them to the power of 2, you have r squared cos squared alpha equal to 5 if you square this, right? The same thing to the second one. You have r squared sine squared alpha equal to 4, because 2 squared is 4. Now let us add these two equations together. If you add them, you have r squared cos squared alpha plus r squared sine squared alpha, and to the right hand side we have 5 plus 4. To the left hand side, r squared is common, so you bring one out, r squared. In the parentheses we have cos squared alpha plus sine squared alpha, and to the right hand side we have 9. Remember this identity that says cos squared x plus sine squared x is equal to 1. Definitely the whole of this is equal to 1. The only thing we have is r squared equal to 9. R squared equal to 9. If you take the square root of both sides, you have r equal to plus or minus 3. But remember, they said r is greater than 0 here. So we are going to take positive result. So it implies that r is equal to 3. Having obtained the value of r, we can go ahead and use one of these two equations to find the value of alpha, either this one or this one. Let me use the second one, r sine alpha equal to 2. So r sine alpha equal to 2, but we have seen that r is equal to 3. So we have 3 sine alpha equal to 2. Divide both sides by 3. Sine alpha is equal to 2. Divide by 3. And what are we looking for? We are looking for alpha in the first quadrant, because they say from 0 to 90 degrees. So we can just go ahead and take sine inverse of both sides. So alpha is equal to sine inverse of what? 2 divided by 3. And sine inverse of 2 divided by 3 is approximately 42 degrees. So alpha is approximately 42 degrees. So all we have to do is to plug r and alpha back to this expression and we are done. This is the expression, right? So having this expression, r is equal to 3. So we have 3 sine of theta plus what? 42 degrees. And hence, this is equivalent to the original expression given to us, which is this one. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.